National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southern Darke County until 6 p.m. At 5:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Union City, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Greenville, Arcanum, Union City, New Madison, Wayne Lakes, Gettysburg, Pittsburgh, Hollinsburg, Gordon, Palestine, Ithaca, Caston, Union Corners, Sharpie, Abbotsville, Sharps Crossing, and Pikeville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. To the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. The tornado warning for southwestern Shelby County is canceled. The tornadic thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for west central Ohio.